I'm really happy today. All this wouldn't have been possible without my teachers. They have supported me a lot throughout this journey. Even my parents, they have, even they are teachers, so I got guidance from them also. And even my friends encouraged me. So, thank you to all the people who supported me, and thank you. The main thing is consistency. I think I studied every day for 2 to 3 hours, not that much, but before exams, it was a bit long. So I think consistency is important. Yes, little bit, but I didn't focus on that much. I even focused on the books because most of the things are in the books only. I want to do something good in my life. I want to work for my country.
The at this moment excitement is going through the roof, if I say so myself. Of course, first and foremost, you have to really give all the glory to God, because without His strength, without His help, I wouldn't have been able to handle all the stressful moments throughout my entire class 10 school life, as well as through my preparation period. I would also like to thank my parents, of course, for the support they gave me, for always being there through my lows and highs, and even my grandmother, who always helped me with my maths, and also to the school for always providing me guidance, for always giving me comfort, for always giving me the strength, saying that yes, I can do it, and it's not just in academics, but also in um, extracurriculars and co-curriculars. In that world, it's quite a dangerous world for one, especially teenagers. I would say that it really depends on how you use it. For me personally, I use it for educational purposes. Other than that, also, I mean, they say that you shouldn't really use Instagram at this age, but I feel like it all depends on how you use it. For example, I follow news channels, I follow scientific channels, and that's how I get all my knowledge and prepare myself for future endeavors.
When it's all thanks to God. Justru vi. Dan justru ngamla ada even security ni position.
Kung lu kaya to fee dari exam.
Kayak first pray bet, why bet every day you cannot skip prayer. And um, to be honest, I had a full schedule throughout the years. My entire class 10, I did not miss a day for which I didn't study, and I had a perfect schedule. I would not skip anything, but also I made sure I had fun. I wouldn't let my studies get in the way of my friendships and my relationships with people around me as well. I wouldn't say I completely cut off my Instagram and social media during my studies. It's a 50-50 chance. Basically, some people, if they know how to use social media and Instagram, if they have a control limit, yes, they can use it to an appropriate amount. But if those who doom scroll way too much and they can't really focus, I suggest that they do delete Instagram. Even like delete some friendships and all that, because you need to focus on your future, you need to focus on your studies. No, I really prayed for it though. I prayed that I would get top 20. I wanted to make my family proud. And I'm really glad I got this position. I prayed so hard for it, and I'm just really thankful to God for helping me achieve this position. I don't have a specific career or job that I aim for. I would like to go commerce because it has a lot of benefits. I can learn about money and finances as well as other life beneficiaries.